Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my recent fashion pickups. I was going to do a haul, but seeing as I didn't buy these things all at once, it wouldn't technically be a haul, so I don't want to lie to you guys. So I decided just to call it my recent fashion pickups, because these are things I picked up over the past couple of months, because I've had some things on that I needed to get clothes for, and they just kind of accumulated, so I want to show you guys what I got. So without further ado, let's just, get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with t-shirts. I got like 2 t-shirts. First one up was this Levi's one. It's just black. It's a simple t-shirt. I got this because I just wanted a cool black t-shirt that said Levi's on it, and I wanted this to look oversized, but I ordered it in size medium, and I thought that would be like, big, because normally mediums are big on me, but it wasn't. It kind of just fits like, perfectly. It's like not tight, but it's not loose, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really like it, and it's gonna last like a long time. Like, it's a real nice kind of quality material. It's thick, it's heavy, it's, very comfortable, and like it's very versatile as well, and it wasn't even like expensive. I think it was only like €30, so I mean, steal. Okay, so the next t-shirt I got was this Elton John Rocketman one. I haven't worn this one yet. I tried it on and it fits like a glove. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this or when I'm gonna wear it, but I had my eye on it for like a while. Like, I seen it on TOPMAN. I got on TOPMAN, same as the Levi's one. I got that one on TOPMAN as well. I had my eye on it for a while, and I was like, will I get it? It was only like €26, something like that, so like, it wasn't expensive. But I had my eye on it for a while, and I was thinking, will I get it? And I was like, no, you don't need it. But then I was like, I kept thinking about it, and then I was like, okay, obviously I want it badly if I'm still thinking about it like 3 weeks later. So I just went on and I picked it up, and here we are right now showing you guys it. And I think it's really cool. It's like, it's just different. Like, it's a different t-shirt to wear, and I like it. Okay, so I also picked up some like new jewelry. None of the stuff I'm wearing. None of the stuff I'm wearing. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got, first of all, I just got just like a simple chain. It's like, it was only like I think €12. Like, it was really cheap, but like it's silver, It's not real silver, obviously, but I really like it. It's so simple. I got it. I don't know why I got this actually. I just wanted more like, jewelry. And I'm too broke to like buy actual jewelry, so I just have to get like the high street jewelry instead, I suppose. But yeah, I got this one. I also got a couple of bracelets. This is the first one I got. It's like a chain, and it has like this kind of drop down detail and has a pearl on it, and I love this so much. This is really nice to wear if you're wearing like a hoodie or like something long sleeved, because it does kind of hang on the wrist a bit. I'll show you now. It's actually also really hard to get on. Someone needs to invent something that, like, when you're putting on bracelets, that like they to get them on easier, because it's like a game of Twister or something trying to get bracelets on. Okay, so as you can see here, it kind of hangs down this kind of length. I don't mind it, like, but what I plan, if I plan to wear it with, it was a short sleeve, and I kind of wanted to hang like up here, this kind of height. But you win some, you lose some. Okay, and the final piece of jewelry I got was this little cufflink. I got this to go with my bracelet I got in New York. This is the Swarovski crystal one, and I wanted like something that like I could wear with it. So like, this one also has skulls on it, which is really cool. So I just put this one on my arm like so, and Bob's your uncle. Okay guys, then I got 2 kind of overshirt things, jackets if you want to call them. The first one I got was this stone coloured one. It is simple, it's oversized. I got it on TOPMAN. I just really wanted, I'm such a jacket person. Like, I love jackets. I feel like you can wear a simple outfit and throw on a jacket, and you just look a bit more complete. And yeah, if it just like goes to that next level, which I really like, and it's really easy just to put on like a black t-shirt, jeans, and then like a nude shacket. Is that what they call shacket? It's like a shirt jacket. The quality, the material's really nice. It's breathable. It's light, but it's also, you know, feels like nice quality as well. Like feels like good quality. I know I'm gonna wear this a lot because it's such a simple. It's the most neutral color you can get. I like the buttons, kind of vintagey looking. But yeah, I really like this, guys. Okay, so the next one I got is, well, the final piece is, I say the best to last. This is my most recent purchase. Now I got this on the Levi's site. This was €150. It was reduced from like, I think, oh, I'm not even gonna say what it was reduced from because, you know, I got this in the sale. That's the main thing, and it's really nice. I really love the fit of this. Now, Levi's, I will say for any of you guys who are looking to buy anything like these, from Levi's, go a size up because the Levi's sizes are very small. Like this is size large and it just fits my arm like perfectly. And I wanted this to be like oversized, but it's oversized on like the body part. Like guys, it's just, I love this so much. Like I don't think I've ever been as happy with a purchase in my life that I have with this. Like I really like the quality of the denim. Like it's very solid. It's not like loose and like, I don't know, just holds a really nice shape, which I really love. And like I think it's cool so because it's not like obviously Levi's. Like it doesn't have any oh, that's cool. It doesn't have any like, you know, Levi's print or like sticker on the front or the back of it. It's just like inside here that has the Levi's print. And it has like the two different colored kind of stripes, like a darker and like kind of dark and like darker again. I just really love this so much. Okay, I actually forgot I got one more thing. It's a pair of shoes. I got these. They're from Madden, and I remember seeing them in New York and I was like, oh, I want them so bad, but I ended up not getting them because, you know, I honestly don't know why. I regretted it so badly. So I knew that when I got money, I wanted to buy them, and they weren't even that expensive. I think they were only like €60, something like that. So like that's not bad. And these are like the comfiest pair of shoes I own. Like they're so comfy. They support your feet like really well. Like oh my god, like definitely would recommend these. But yeah, I also got a pair of these, and I love them. Okay, that's everything I got in this, you know, pickups video. The reason I'm doing these kind of videos instead of the haul ones is because I don't like buying loads of stuff at once because I kind of get, you know, impulsed. So I buy a lot of stuff on things on impulse, whereas now I only want to buy things I actually really like, because the amount of stuff that's in that wardrobe there that I don't wear because I just don't like, and it's all stuff that I bought last summer. Because my idea behind it was, okay, if I buy like 10 items I can do a video, so I'd quickly go on, like, you know, buy, click, add to cart, buy, order them, unbox them, do a haul on that, which I have all, like, you know, already up my channel. So if you want to go watch them, you know, you can go watch them. But that's why I'm going to keep it to like a smaller number of pieces, and just pieces I actually truly like, you know, feel in my heart that I like, and all these pieces I love. And yeah, even the New York haul, I don't wear most of the items because it's just not me. Like these are all like my exact style. Like I love these so much, and yeah, I'm just so happy with them. Like they're just so like but anyway, guys, I could talk forever about why I love these pieces so much, and I know you don't want to hear that, so I'm gonna say goodbye to you now. I really appreciate this video. Please, you know, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.